Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask to buy crypto. First, you'll need to install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile application. Always download it from the official website to avoid scams. Once installed, you can create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, this phrase is the master key to your funds, so keep it extremely secure and never share it with anyone. Setting a strong password adds another layer of protection. Now that your MetaMask wallet is set up, it's time to fund it. You can find your unique public wallet address at the top of the MetaMask interface. This address is like your bank account number for receiving crypto. You can transfer Ethereum or other supported tokens from a centralized exchange directly to this address. Alternatively, MetaMask often integrates with services allowing you to buy crypto with fiat currency, like US dollars, directly within the wallet using a debit card or bank transfer. Always double-check the network before sending funds. MetaMask makes buying crypto straightforward with its integrated buy feature. When you click buy, you'll typically be presented with several third-party providers, such as Wire or Transact, that facilitate these purchases. You can then select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, like Ethereum, and specify the amount. Choose your payment method, which often includes options like a debit card or bank transfer. Carefully review all the transaction details, including fees, before confirming your purchase. The crypto will then be deposited directly into your MetaMask wallet. Security is paramount when using MetaMask. Your secret recovery phrase is the most critical piece of information. Never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams. Always ensure you are on the official MetaMask website or using the legitimate extension. Before confirming any transaction, meticulously review all the details, including the recipient address and the amount. Finally, regularly back up your secret recovery phrase in several secure, offline locations to protect against loss or damage to your device. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.